A very good morning, parents, and to all my dear children. Today in the maths class, we'll learn how to write figure 11 and 12 in the exercise book. As you can see that I have kept the format ready with me, writing the classwork on top, today's date, day, and the topic, that is write figure 11, 1, 1, 11. And then I have kept this cross marks ready, alternate cross marks vertically and horizontally. We are going to follow the same format which we had followed for figure 10, 1, 0, 10. Now here I start. I'm going to write here like this, 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. So we are not going to touch either of the lines, top, bottom, left or right. And every time we write, we need to read the numbers loudly. For the convenience of the children, you can place the dots in this way for around 2 lines. This will be easy for them to understand from where they need to begin. For example, 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. See, this is how it looks after it is done. Now in the same way we are going to repeat for the next page, where we are going to learn how to write figure 1 to 12. The format remains almost the same, just the topic needs to be changed. Like we have written classwork, today's date, day, then the topic, write figure 1 to 12. Then alternate cross marks are to be placed vertically and horizontally, same as before. And then we are going to start writing figure 1 to 12 like this. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. Again, as specified earlier, you can place some dots. For the convenience of the children, it will be easy for them to understand from where they need to begin. Like 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. And the same way they need to fill out the rest of the page, writing in the same manner. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. Now see, this is how it looks after it is done. So we have completed 2 pages today in today's class. Figure 1, 1, 11 and figure 1 to 12. So back at home you keep practicing to write 1, 1, 11 and 1 to 12 carefully. Make sure you are writing inside this boxes, square boxes. Don't make it such a big one that it moves outside this small square check boxes. That's it, children. Meet you soon in the next video. Till bye bye.